Hello, this is Andrew from Boatshed, Gibraltar. Here we are viewing a Dufour 39 center console that was built in 1999. This boat does appear to have been well looked after. She's clean and tidy and well presented. She has two cabins, forward cabin and as we turn round and look aft, a very spacious and comfortable saloon. Good sized galley. She has one head which is shared between, well, has dual access from the saloon and from the aft cabin. The aft cabin can be laid out to have one big double bed or two smaller beds. So anyway, if you like what you're seeing and wish to learn more or arrange a viewing, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.